Garrett.
We're here at Greenwood Park in Hermosa Beach, California, next to this lovely Starbucks. This line, all the way to Mira Costa High School, is 1.19 miles. This distance, scaled up to the cosmos, is roughly 36 million miles from Mercury to the Sun. I'm currently here in the Petco in Redondo Beach. Right here I have this pear. From here to Mira Costa High School is roughly 2.21 miles. So this distance scaled up to the solar system would be roughly 68 million miles between the Sun and Venus.
Who's he talking to?
What the f?
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
They let kids go to school here?
I'm standing here at the Redondo School for the Mentally Challenged with this orange representing the Earth. Now, we are 2.99 miles away from Mira Costa, which on the grand scale of the cosmos would be equal to the Earth being 91.5 million miles from the Sun. Hey, at least we got the biggest school on the West Coast. I'll show you, buddy.
School's a circus.
I'm sitting here.
We are currently 4.71 miles away from Mira Costa at Panda Express Chinese Kitchen. This right here represents Mars. Mars, on a scale of the solar system, is approximately 144 million miles away from the Sun.
So how was lunch?
Hello, and welcome to the Los Pollos Hermanos family. My name is Gustavo, but you can call me Sus.
Alright.
Like just the roadway?
We can get that after. Okay. Go. Alright, let's go. He's walking. Oh my god. No!
Where's Josh?
Over here. Hello. I am here at the Signal Hill Roundabout in Long Beach, California. Beautiful, isn't it? We are currently 15.05 miles away from Mira Costa. This honeydew right here is to represent Jupiter. Put up to scale of the solar system, this Jupiter right here would be approximately 460 million miles away from the Sun. All right, now guys, how do I get down? Where's Garrett with the ladder?
the keys?
Where's the keys? Aw, damn. Duh. All right, we are here in Huntington Beach, California on Tower 17. In my hand is Saturn. This watermelon represents Saturn. It is also one of the larger planets in our solar system. And here in Huntington Beach, Tower 17, it is approximately 30 miles from Mira, Costa. Also, according to my calculations, it is also 913 million miles away from the sun. All right, we are here at the San Onofre Nipples. The Nipples are approximately 59.78 miles away from Mira, Costa. In my hand is Uranus. It is one of the larger planets in our solar system, and according to my calculations, it is about 1.828 billion miles away from the sun.
I'm standing in the San Dieguito National Wetlands with Neptune. Now, the wetlands are 90.8 miles away from Costa, which in the solar system would be 2.77 billion miles from the sun. Now, I leave this. I'm standing here at the border between the US and Mexico with Pluto. Now, the border is 121 miles away from Mira, Costa, which is, according to our calculations, in real space miles, the equivalent of Pluto being 3,700,000,000 miles away from the sun. Now, our long journey is at an end, and they were kind enough to let me film the last one. So I just wanted to hang on.
My name is Murphy Kane Glasgow, and everything has gone wrong. Oh God. We were not allowed to film there. They're chasing us. I think Garrett made it across. I found Brett's camera in a ditch, no sign of him. And they ate Jaws. Oh God. The only thing that could fix this is if I was to get an A on this Astro project.
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.